Hi guys, I have yet another unboxing from Twilight Garden Wax. I'm addicted to her stuff. I don't know what the deal is. Like, I have tons of wax that I haven't even used. But I seem to keep using her wax, and other people's wax just gets ignored. Not because they're not amazing, but because I just really, really love this particular vendor's wax. I really do. All right. So I will be doing those wax laps demos on the other vendors as well. I promise you. But in the meanwhile, I have to feed my addiction. So here is Twilight Garden Wax's card. This is kind of different than the last one I saw. Love it. Miracle Fish, which is normally in her bag, in her boxes. And then this is the information on how to care for and use your wax. And here's a card. So I went ahead and opened the card because the invoice is usually in there. And then I got this. She's out of the seats. And of course, a thank you card as usual that she shares with everyone. And that's her logo. Then on my invoice, I'm not sure what it means, but everything is checked off except a couple of things. I wonder if that means that she was out of those. So we have Haunted Lighthouse. There's a check but no X on it. And then we have Mistletoe Kisses Wax Melt. There's a check but no X. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe she just forgot to check it off. Anyway, let's see what we have here. This is Twinkle all the way, and it's super cute. I expected it to be in the same shapes as the last one, which were little bells, but it's a different shape, so I'm glad. So I get to demo the two different types of shapes. It's stocking. Here is a sample called Just Sleep. Another sample called White Woods. I wonder, did I have this one already? I don't know, but I haven't used that yet. Either way, I don't think. Christmas flannel sample. What's that? Is that a bell? Oh, yeah, it is a bell. Cute. Candy cane cuddles sample. She actually wrote that she made something for me, and this is it. It's a jam and rose. I thank her so much because this is like one of my favorite scents of all time, and she knows it, and so she made me a jam and rose. Next we have, this is the Haunted Lighthouse, which was not checked off, I believe. So maybe she just forgot to check it off. Yes, but here it is. And it is a ghost. I love that scent. I had to reorder it. Just Breathe sample. I'm assuming this is like a eucalyptus type thing. And what's that, a snowman? I will open these up and show you all of them in a minute. Yes. This is becoming one of my favorites of hers. Candied Orange Blossoms. She sent me a sample. I reordered, and now, I reordered based on a sample, and now here we are with another order. It smells amazing. The second package. Yes, I did get two. So if you're wondering if I really liked it, I did. Mistletoe Kisses. This was the other one that was not marked off. So I guess she just forgot to check it, but so cute. And she sent me a sample and it smelled amazing. I'll put this back, didn't I? Then we had Winter. Beautiful Snowflake. Cozy Christmas, which I got the last time, and the reason for that For those of you who may not have seen my last one, is because it's so pretty. Not only is it pretty, but it smells super nice as well. So I got another one. It's always harder to open it than it is. I mean, harder to close it than it was to open it. We have a Christmas Eve tree, cozy by the fire. This is, I believe, an angel. Again, I'll open these in a moment and show you them all. Mountain Christmas, another reorder because it was just awesome. Sweater weather, another reorder. We have Santa suit, yet another reorder. Trying to get all these Christmas scents in my life before we're done with Christmas. Christmas pajamas. Oh, Tannenbaum, definitely a reorder. I love this scent like something awful. I really love it. And then we got the Let It Snow, which is also a reorder. All of these are reorders. All right, I'll be back with the items opened. All right, I am back, and we have a bunch of waxes here. Yes, they are thrown on top of a blankie because I have a migraine today, so I'm in bed, but I wanted to get this out of the way because I like to use them immediately, and if I don't do an unboxing immediately, then I can't use them immediately. All right, so what do we have here? We have, fingernails jacked up, look. Didn't even realize. We have Twinkle All the Way. So beautiful. And that is cranberries, peach, citrus, apple, violet, vanilla, spruce, sugar plum, and spices. Next we have Let It Snow, which is the most beautiful, beautiful melt. And it is a snowy blend of Merlot, tobacco flowers, whiskey, cocoa, marshmallow, sandalwood, patchouli, pine, spices, and vanilla. Sweater weather. Beautiful. And this is fresh air, mint, pine, berries, wood, moss, and musk. Then we have winter, which is another beautiful snowflake. Look at that. And that is scented in a wintry blend of orange, lemon, allspice, clove, pine, cinnamon, and oat moss. We have, I actually realized later that I thought I only had one snowman, but I have two. One is Just Relax. This one, Just Breathe, smells minty, and this one smells like maybe eucalyptus. Can't tell because samples usually don't have the scent profile on them. Then we have Mountain Christmas. How adorable is he? That is a woodsy blend of Palo Santo, vanilla bean Noel, Merlot, tobacco flowers, whiskey, cocoa, marshmallow, woods, amber, and patchouli. Next we have Cozy by the Fire. This is my first time getting one of these. And it's really, really cute. Cozy blend of clove, coconut, orange, vanilla, amber, coconut, birch, and cedarwood. Very, that's a very like soft scent on that one. Then we have Oh Tannenbaum. Oh, beautiful. It looks like it's an actual decorated tree. Trying to make sure it focuses in. All right, and this one is scented in balsam fir. Then we have Just Sleep, which I assume, I can't really smell it right now. I don't know if I'm just getting my nose caught up in all the scents, but lavendery maybe. We have Mistletoe Kisses. This fingernail is really getting on my nerves. I don't do jacked up nails, but evidently I do them today. Anyway, it's a festive blend of orange, cedar, fir, berries, crisp greens, spices, moss, and musk. And the gold on it is just so nice. Cozy Christmas. I won't be demoing this because I've already demoed it. This is just for me. Just for me. Orange currant citrus fir, eucalyptus, juniper, bay leaf, clove, cedar, pine, greens, woods, amber, and vanilla. Then my special jam and rose, which smells like rose jam. She made it specifically for me. Yes, I said pacifically, not Atlantically. She made it specifically for me. I really do hate when people say Pacific, but here I go doing it too. I am so thankful. Thank you. This is probably gonna get. Let me see. What's the date? It probably needs some time. Yeah, that needs some time. I won't. It's just been poured. And then Santa suit. Did I take it? Look, Santa suit. Sorry about that. And this one is scented in. Oh, his hat broke off. I was wondering what that was. Might have been when I pulled it out. Santa suit is scented in a fresh blend of bergamot, apples, violet, sweaters, mahogany, patchouli, musk, pipe smoke, peppermint, spruce, and sugar. Good thing I've already demoed him. Then we have this other tree that looks like it's been fully decorated. I love when it's a mixture of colors. This one is balsam fir, marshmallow, fireside, and a touch of smoky fireplace. And this one is called Christmas Eve. We have candied orange blossoms, which I told you I love, 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 love. A bright blend of orange blossom, sticky cotton, and tonka bean. What else? What else? We have Haunted Lighthouse. And that one is, let me see, I'm blind now. A haunting blend of leaves, cider road, salty sea air, and smoky beechwood. We have Christmas Pajamas. And that is fresh air spearmint, pine berries, woods, moss, and creamy warm vanilla. And this smells really nice. I like this a lot. So I think that's all besides the second pack of these that I bought. And then we have Candy Cane Cuddles, sample melt, and then White Woods sample melt. So thank you so much once again for the awesome haul. I really, really seriously adore these melts. Obviously, you wouldn't have seen so many unboxings this season. Not only do they smell nice, but they are just beautiful. I'm not the clamshell chick. I'm just not. I like to do videos of my melts. And so I like my melts to be beautiful and shaped and interesting. And so for those of you who may have had orders from me before and really your line consists of clamshells, there's nothing wrong with clamshells. They're just not my favorite thing. So that's probably why I don't order much. Although clamshell melts are just as good as these. I'm just ridiculously picky, I guess, as far as they've got to just be freaking gorgeous. All right, guys, that's it. This is Twilight Garden Wax. Amazing, amazing products. I will talk to you guys on the next one.